How to use Klarna to book flights. Now, first of all, open the Klarna app. So make sure you log into your account to Klarna. If you haven't installed it yet, download the Klarna app from your App Store or Google Play if you use Android. Now, after that, search for flights. So you can use Klarna app to search for flights. You can visit a flights booking website that accepts Klarna, of course. After that, as you can see, popular websites like Expedia, Skyscanner, or Booking.com often allow Klarna as a payment option. Now, after that, choose your flight. So browse through the flight option and choose the one that fits your travel needs. Add the flight to your cart and go to checkout. After that, select Klarna at the checkout. So at the checkout, select Klarna as your payment method, and Klarna will offer you a flexible payment options. Now choose your payment plan. So Klarna usually offers two options: pay later after 30 days, pay in 3 to 4 installments spread out over time. After that, confirm your booking. So review your flight details and payment plans. Confirm your booking and Klarna will proceed to payment for you. After that, manage your payments. So after booking, you can track your payments in My Klarna section of the app. After that, Klarna will send you a reminder for upcoming installment payments. So this is how to use Klarna to book flights. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.